Casting off in rib stitch. Knitting in rib stitch forms columns of knit and purl stitches. So when we're casting off our knitted project, we want to ensure the cast off matches the stitch pattern worked. By casting off in rib stitch pattern, your edge will look neater and be slightly stretchier, making it perfect for cuffs and brims. In this video, we will cast off a 1x1 rib stitch pattern. Knit 1, purl 1. The same method can be used to cast off in a 2x2 rib stitch or any other rib stitch. We will be casting off with the right side facing us. Start your cast off row by knitting 1 stitch. Then, follow the rib pattern. Bring your yarn forward and purl the next stitch. Slip the second loop on your right hand needle over the loop closest to the needle tip and slide it off your needle. We have now cast off the first stitch. 1 loop remains on our right hand needle. Following the rib pattern, we will now knit the next stitch. Then bring your second loop over the stitch closest to the tip on your right hand needle and slide it off your needle. We have now cast off our second stitch. 1 loop remains on our right hand needle again. Continue working the next stitch on your left hand needle by matching the column of stitches in your rib pattern. You will alternate between purling and knitting the next stitch, then cast off the stitch. Remember to bring the yarn forward to create a purl stitch and to the back of your work before creating a knit stitch. Top tip: follow the sequence of stitches so that if the stitch below looks like a V, you will knit 1 stitch, and if the stitch below looks like a bar, you will purl 1 stitch. Continue casting off until you have reached the end of your row. You can now cast off in rib stitch.